can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the signs.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this really cute body wave wig that I have on right now. Would you guys believe me if I told you this wig and this look only took me 5 minutes? Like, I don't even think 5 minutes. Like, I took it out the box, put it on, brushed through the hair, and this is literally what it's given. Like, it's not glued down, nothing. Came already curled, came already pre-plucked, came already pre-done for you. Like, girlies, this is what we love. We love the low maintenance, but really, really cute wigs. So if you're interested in learning all the details about this wig, just keep on watching.
Alright y'all, so the wig that I'll be installing in today's video is from UNiceHair company. They did send me over one of their newest upgraded wigs. This one did come pre-done for us, so that means pre-everything, pre-curl, pre-style, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, like 100% ready to wear. And this is considered a ByeBye cap wig. So as you can see, they already have a cap attached to the inside of the lace. How cool is that? And the lace on this wig is 13x4 and it is HD. Also, they added the tapes on the inside, so you won't have to glue this wig down if you don't want to. And also, guys, as you can see in the back of the wig, they attached a drawstring elastic band, meaning this wig will fit any head size. Y'all, they are coming. They are not playing around this year. So, as you guys can see, I'm going ahead and I'm removing that removable elastic band, because since it has the drawstring in the back, I'm going to be using that instead of the regular elastic band. So here you see me just trying on the wig right out of the box, y'all, and I'm just gonna say perfect fit already without even pulling the drawstring. And the lace on this wig is HD and it's literally giving scalp. Like UNice, like, they did their thing with this wig. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. The pre-curls in this wig came really, really pretty. I'm just going ahead and combing through them, brushing through them to get the desired look. In this video, I am not going to be recurling this wig whatsoever. I'm not going to be doing any additional styling. I want to show you guys just how easy it is to take it out of the box and wear this wig just as is. I am actually extremely impressed with this pre-plucked hairline, guys. They really did their thing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going ahead now and pulling the drawstring, and as you guys can see, the wig is fitting really, really snug on my head. I always talk about my small head, guys, so the drawstrings are a game changer for me. And also, I will not be gluing this wig down whatsoever, so I am using the tapes that they added on the side of the wig. And woo, let's just get into that hairline real quick. Let's get into it because it's not glued down. I did not use my hot comb, no nothing, and it's secure, baby. It is secure. I love it. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the lace is laid. The lace is laid, so let's go ahead and get into the hair. It is already pre-curled. I just kind of fingered through the curls a little bit to define them again. And we do want the top of the hair to be flatter, so I'm going in with my wax stick and pressing the top of that hair down. And just so my curls stay in place, I'm adding a little bit of my volumizing spray. And y'all, look at that. Look at that, right out of the box. Like, right out of the box. You can't make this up. You can't make it up.
Guys, so as you've seen, this might be one of the easiest wigs that I've done on my channel. I love how convenient it is. I love how beautiful it is. And I love how the texture feels amazing. I love how low maintenance it was. Pop it on, brush through the curls and get it together. And definitely that little drawstring method that they're doing on these wigs, that is a must in 2025. So if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much. And also a huge thank you to UNiceHair Company for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this wig. If you purchase this wig, I hope you love it as well. All the details to this one will be down below in my description box as always. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.